Hey, this is Adam with Space Dodo. If you're looking for an easy way to get the weather in the Unreal Engine, my plugin should help you out. So it's actually a process of reaching out to a couple of different weather API services, which are listed in my documentation, what the dependencies are. But I have the API wrappers done, and now it's essentially just a drag and drop situation for weather. So inside the plugin content, you could easily just drop in this test weather actor, and it's going to put on a widget when you hit play. So when you hit play, it plays this widget right here, and it says type in a city like New York and US and press enter. It doesn't have to be exactly New York, US, or New York, New York, or something like that, because the API service looks up the location, and it will give you the top location. So the more exact you are, the better you'll be. So let's just type in Nashville, TN for Nashville, Tennessee, and it says today it's light rain. Let's see how it is in China. Beijing, CN. Today it's foggy. And let's do another Athens, Tennessee. Today it's partly cloudy. And Athens, Greece. I don't know the abbreviation for Greece, so I'm just going to type in Greece. Tonight it's clear sky. All right, so this utilizes the API. The point is that you can actually get access to actionable weather data very easily through the Unreal Engine with some drag and drop nodes. Let's take a quick look at those. So if we look at the actual widget that's being used here, let's go ahead and turn off the simulation. In the widget graph, this is where most of the logic is. The older version just did US, this does global, like I just demonstrated. When you edit the text on enter, these are my custom nodes here. It looks up the city name in the one of the APIs, which I've listed in my documentation, which will then give you the global latitude and longitude based off the first result for that. So this is a custom delegate which returns the entire weather report as a JSON. Now, you can view this entire weather report if we put it in a string. You can get the whole thing. It's just a ton of information. You can parse it however you want. What I do is I parse, and this is another part of my plugin, parse for the symbol code. And the symbol code gives you a lot of information very quickly and simply. And that right there is what it outputs. So this is really what my plugin is doing for you. It's an API wrapper of a few different APIs, which will then check city data, return this, the location of that, and then that location is used to look up the weather, and then that weather report is parsed for the simple weather report. Now in my plugin, I also have some more custom wiring, which is just a very simple way to utilize it. So all I'm doing here is essentially breaking it down into its different pieces, and I'm doing some logic on that, like based off what the common things it says, I just kind of parse and react to that. So you can hook up your own logic right into this if you'd like, or copy this into another actor, or however you want to do it. This is available in the plugin as well. But that's essentially it. So now you have a way to get the player's weather, or maybe you want to have the weather react in different cities or whatever. You have now the ability to do it in the Unreal Engine through my plugin. It's not that expensive. Check it out on the Unreal Engine store. Thank you so much for watching. And I do a lot of just general game development stuff, not just for the Unreal Engine, but just game development more in general. So stick around this channel if you're interested in stuff like that. If you have questions about the plugin, you can join my Discord or just Unreal in general. I will see you guys next time. Thanks.